What are you willing to do to really make it work? Now, if I was to tell you that myself and Amit, for the first 8 years, we didn't probably draw up more than about £800 each to live on a month. Okay, so while my friends who had joined investment banks and were working for recruitment companies all had a bunch of money, when they wanted to go to Nando's or go out to eat, I literally had to scrape the pounds together to get that £20 to go out and eat. But I couldn't tell them I was broke. That I was in business, so they thought I was making loads of money. But it's a sacrifice you make. Okay? Short-term sacrifice, long-term gain. That's the way it works. That's the way it's always been. It's your attitude, this attitude that you can get it done. Don't give yourself a choice that it's not going to happen. Imagine getting to the studio for 7 a.m. every morning, finishing at 7 p.m. every night, 7 days a week. That's what we did for 2 years.
We've sat where you are and we've had those millions of questions in our head. How do the guys do it? How do they make it? What's involved?
To get what you want, you have to deserve what you want. Only you can tell yourself, do I really deserve the success that I want to have? Have I really given my 100%?
You can't expect to have an amazing career, live your dreams, and yet the path to that destination, that goal, be really rosy and easy.
If you really want something, it doesn't feel like that much work. The things you tend to enjoy, you tend to do well. Things you tend to do well, you enjoy. And if you think about that, that also ties into something not feeling like a job or a chore as well. And if you put all of that together, it actually makes things very, very easy and a very, very organic process if you let it.
If you can do things that others don't like to do, you will live the life that they want to live. People don't always want to give you the praise if they see that you're doing something, right? And that makes you feel a little bit scared, intimidated, like, oh my God, no one's really supporting me. What happens if I fail? You have to be willing to get that mindset out and become a doer.
So here's advice. Find your spike. Find what you are fantastic at. Ask friends, ask loved ones. Very, very important. You perfect that and you craft that. And when you do find something you're great at, train at it and train at it till you become the best in your field.
The way your career works is not kind of success. It's failure, success, failure, success. That's the way it goes. That's how business is built. So you have to be willing to take those failures, and it's only through pushing through them, okay, are you going to get to where you want to be. And so many people quit at that moment that they're going to succeed, they quit.
The universe responds to seed, not need. That means if you need something right now, we expect things to come, but what have you sown? What seeds have you planted in your past for you to get what you want now?
I think there's a famous philosopher called Snoop Dogg, Mr. Snoop Dogg.
Yeah.
And he said it best, he said, pay the cost to be the boss.
If someone was holding a gun to your head and said, you need to send out 10 emails today, ring up 5 people, plan a shoot, do this, that, and the other, I guarantee you would do it. That's the same way you need to treat yourself, because you are your own boss. Okay, you can't be getting up at 11 a.m., checking your email for a bit and then going on Facebook, having a cup of coffee, ringing your mate. It's not going to happen, because there are other people out there who are hungrier, who are doing the work. Humans, we are motivated by progress, okay? Not necessarily just success, by progress. As long as we know we're working towards something, we're going to be motivated. So progress, do something, do anything, but just do it.